Meet the plastic sleeve box, a versatile packaging solution. The plastic sleeve box comprises a bottom pallet, a top lid, and a foldable sleeve. The sleeve is available in various styles, such as honeycomb and corrugated sheet, and is typically constructed from PP material. Its thickness can be tailored to meet specific application requirements. This lightweight yet durable solution allows for easy stacking of 3 to 4 layers, providing efficient storage. Its quick and effortless assembly and folding capabilities streamline your operational efficiency. The plastic sleeve box is not only reusable and recyclable but also offers a range of customization options. From drop door features to different locking mechanisms, logo imprinting, and bespoke internal lining, we cater to a diverse array of customer requirements. Versatile, customizable, and built for efficiency, the plastic sleeve box, your solution for tailored storage and logistics needs.